Welcome to the guide for installing your EdgeCam license online. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Open your EdgeCam software. Step 2. Navigate to the top menu and click on Managers. From the drop-down, select License Manager. Step 3. In the License Manager window, choose the option Install License. Step 4. Click Next to proceed, and then click Next again on the following screen. And then click Next again on the following screen. Step 5. The installation process may take some time, so please be patient and wait for it to complete. Finally, once the installation is finished, click Finish. And that's it. Your EdgeCam license is now installed and ready for use. Thank you for choosing EdgeCam.